Hi everybody, by the end of this exercise you're going to be able to paint something like this, 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 and this. And for that you are going to need paper, watercolor, brushes, pencil, rubber, eraser, water, something to mix the paint, a cloth, and that's all. Okay, so let's start. All we need is a little circle here, and I will mark where I want the tallest of the buildings to end. I don't want any building taller than this, and because I want all this to be sky. Okay, so it's like 1/3 here with the buildings and 2/3 here with the landscape. So I want it to be intense, so I'm going to be using less water than usual. And with that, we have our first composition. And with that, we have our first composition. You see how easy it flows. It flows very, very nicely. By the way, I'm using watercolor and cotton paper. The shape itself doesn't have to be regular, okay? But the edges have got to be sharp. This is our little stem. And from here we go to our leaf. And with that, we have our second composition. Okay, so let's make our horse. Once again, we're just going to do the same thing that we did here. Okay, same size and everything, so it's very easy. Do you remember how we did it? Little square, right? And we divide in 3. 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, I'm not actually painting, I'm just staining. It's just, you know, adding some little stain to the background so that it's not going to be totally white, okay? And here where we're going to leave the eye. Okay, so now let's paint our horse. Okay. And with that, we have our third composition. So all we have to do here is very simple. We have to mark where the flowers are going to be. Okay. And you mark the center of the flowers. You mark where the center is going to be, and then you simply do your thing, okay? And with that, we have our third composition. Right? Okay, and we mark the limit to where the flowers are going to be. So the flowers are going to be out here. And so, yeah, just for the vase. And that's all. Remember, the edges have got to be sharp. The shape can be uneven and everything, but the edges, they have got to be sharp, okay? So, okay. So now let's have fun. Easy to do this one. Okay, you mark the center of the flower, and you just this. And then you did you see how it is? You press a little bit, and then you make it. You can make it like this as well, but you're gonna get better results by doing this. Like this. Push. Okay. And with this, we have our fifth composition. As always, keep on practicing and thank you for joining us.